Ministers here present, service chiefs, members of the diplomatic corps, are a pleasure that I welcome all of you.
For stepping in because I'm a young Nigerian and I think I deserve to be clapped for. I'd like to especially appreciate His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I'm happy to see you, sir. He called my name as Chooks the General. When I was walking in, that was my name actually, until I came to this place. When I was walking in, the service chiefs and other generals were also walking in. And a classmate of mine, who knew me a few years ago, as Chooks the General, saw me walking in too, and from distance, he was shouting my name. The annoying part was that he removed the Chooks. He was not calling me General, 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 in Aso Rock, in front of service chiefs. I heard the name and I ignored. He called me again. I was hearing my name. I was ignoring. The chief of defense staff turned his back. He saw me. He asked me, "Are you the one they are calling?" I didn't answer. He said, "Who are you?" I said, "I'm the general class rep of my class." Just so I can live long. I was suited when I came in. I'd like to welcome all governors. I just realized that everyone came in a simple, interesting, traditional attire. And I felt bad. I was like, okay, maybe I will step out to go and change. But while I was thinking of that, I saw that one of the governors came in a corporate wear. River State Governor Nyesom Wike wore suit too. And I told myself that since he's wearing suit and I'm wearing suit, I don't have to change my clothes. Because as he depend them, he's going to sweet us. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my duty is to welcome two different entertainments. I'm going to do that very quickly. First will be a cultural troupe. They're taking their time to put their rehearsal in order. Their intention is to make you have a good time. And I'm sure you will enjoy this dance. It's a perfect
hello. This guy. Hey, hello. Yes.
Let me welcome. Let me welcome here. Capacity development for ensuring that local content becomes a thing that is enforceable and deliverable. The Executive Secretary of the Local Content Development and Marketing Agency, is here with us. like to welcome here General Farouk Ibeya, Chief. Vice Admiral N.Z. Gambo, Special Category.
All these all shots, I don't know what to call here.
Air Vice Marshal I.O. Amal, also in that same category,
let me use this unique opportunity to make a little observation. We have 36 states, and out of 36 states, from the list, 16 governors are recognized this morning. Then I ask myself, out of the 774 local government chairmen, not even one is here with us. Mr. Senate President and Mr. Speaker, that shows that the National Assembly has some work to do. Probably we need to review and look at the structure and functions of the local government. If the local governments are functional and doing well, we expect one or two of them to be noticed by those who go around the country to assess people that should be recognized. I believe we need to do something about the local government structure in Nigeria. Because if the local governments are working, some of the challenges we're having, even critical security challenges, at that level of government that is very close to the people, they would have been able to nip it at the first stage. Let me also use this unique opportunity to appeal to those who do the selection. There are some categories of people that we must also look at. Very difficult to reach out to them to assess them. It's easier to assess governors because they are not satisfied. You can easily assess the ministers. There are not too many. Heads of parastatals are known. It's our teachers, especially those who teach at the primary and secondary school level. They really need to be encouraged because they have the duty to mold the children. When they pass through that level of education and they are not molded, they become nuisance to society. I went to Akwa Ibom not too long ago for a program similar to this that people were recognized, and I was quite impressed. One secondary school teacher was honored by the government. I think we need also to look at that, and especially the medical officers, doctors, nurses, and paramedics. Some of them have to die to save us. We have this experience with the COVID. During the Ebola, I vividly remembered this lady, Dr. Ameyo, because Professor remembers her very well, who saved this country from the spread of Ebola and she paid the supreme price, died in that process. I'm not saying this award is for purpose, there is no possible award here, but I'm saying that there are people in the medical profession that have done similar things and are still alive. and need also to be recognized. Let me once again thank the organizers for this unique initiative. I appreciate also those who work with them, as I saw a list of sponsors, for making this program possible. And on behalf of the 44 of us, reassure you again that we will continue to do our best for society. Thank you.
This is to put on record that this award is born out of empirical evidence of performance and not politics. This award is a recognition of the giant strides all we have made towards the transformation of Nigeria, and we have consistently put hard work and dedication at the center of the initiatives. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you for your contributions to the transformation of our country. This award is a validation of your approach, but much more is a motivation for you and other upcoming leaders to continue doing more to the attainment of a better Nigeria in all sectors of the economy. Thank you all, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Now, when I invite His Excellency the President of the country,
Thank you very much. I thank God Almighty. I thank Mr. President. I thank all of my well-wishers. I appreciate the good people of Kogi State, all the security forces and services who have been giving us.
I feel good. I feel honored. I feel recognized. And I feel motivated to do more.
Honorable Minister, the country is currently witnessing unprecedented floods. A lot of people are asking, what exactly is your agency doing? Are you able to step up to the plate?
I'm sure people will not ask what exactly we are doing because we are all over the news. Every day you see us intervening in one state or the other. So we're all over. We're doing our best as first responders. We're taking relief to all the affected areas, the affected victims. And we're collaborating with other agencies to see that we bring support and succor to the affected communities.
Are you having any challenges at all in reaching these people with this flooding?
Of course.
And what are those challenges?
There are those challenges of inaccessibility because some of the areas you have to go by canoe, some of the areas trucks that carry loads of relief items cannot move, because of the flood. So those are the challenges. Instead of relief to get there on time, they are delayed because of the terrain. So those are really the main challenges. But I want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency Mr. President for giving us all the necessary support in this very critical moment.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
What are some of those challenges you face as an agency at this moment?
No, I think at this moment we shouldn't talk about challenges. We should celebrate what has happened to us as FIRS and the contributions FIRS is making towards national development. Like you heard during the presentation, from January to date, we've collected to 30 September, we already collected over 7.5 trillion naira. And we're confident by the end of the year we'll do the 10.4 trillion that government wanted us to collect for them at the beginning of the year. The bottom line and appeal to Nigerians is that they should begin to trust the government and realize one thing, that globally there is civilization and Nigerians pay heavily to visit those civilizations. It is possible. If they pay taxes, we can do it in Nigeria. the beautiful hospitals, the beautiful schools, the beautiful roads, and the beautiful cities they visit in the world was built, or were built, using taxpayers' money. When they pay taxes, there will be social amenities, there will be critical infrastructure, and the security and safety of citizens will be enshrined. Thank you very much.
Can you give details on the blockchain?
Of course, I'm excited about it, but also I'm challenged to make sure that the last 7 months are productive, and we try to consolidate the efforts we have made in the last 3 years and 2 months.
They said the reward for hard work is more work. What should we be expecting from your ministry?
Well, we set certain targets when we took over in August 21st, 2019. We can say we're more than halfway there. But you know, the Bible says the end of a thing is better than the beginning. So we'll deliver on Surulere Stadium. We'll deliver on Obafemi Awolowo Stadium. We'll deliver on the Games Village in Surulere, which has been there over 40 years. We'll deliver the National Sports Industry Policy, which I'll present to Council in another 3 weeks. It is ready. And haven't done that, but we'll say our job has been done. We'll have laid a sustainable model for sports and youth development in our country.
Thank you very much. Congratulations once more.
Well, I can only say that I'm very grateful to the Almighty Lord for giving me the opportunity to be validated. It is definitely an affirmation that when you work hard, there are moments like this when your hard work is recognized. I want to first and foremost, having thanked God, thank the leader of our party, who is the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari GCFR, because it is a party that has given me the platform to stand on, to contest the elections through which I became the governor of Ogun State. Standing on that platform, the good people of Ogun State entrusted me with their mandate to be their governor. And through that mandate, they gave me that support, without which I wouldn't be receiving any award. I want to again thank my team, who have ensured that we distilled for ourselves a very clear vision in recognition of the very unique position that our state occupies geographically as a gateway state to Nigeria's prosperity. They've worked assiduously with me in ensuring that we've implemented our Ishaya mantra and agenda. And it is through that implementation of our Ishaya agenda, I for infrastructure, S for social women and welfare, E for education, Y for youth empowerment and job creation, A for agriculture, that we've done so much in infrastructure, and particularly the award that we've been given today. We have achieved all that we achieved in industrialization because we looked at what is that unique advantage that we have that puts us ahead of every other state. We ensured that we provided security because that is the first provision and requirement of any administration. You cannot have any meaningful development in an atmosphere of peace. You can only have meaningful development in an atmosphere of peace and security. So peace and security was what we first focused on in Ogun State. And having done that, we now began to work on infrastructure, providing purposeful and meaningful infrastructure. This is what has earned us today's award in terms of opening up Ogun State, developing Ogun State, bringing investors in, and today we remain the investors' destination of choice. I want to thank the Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, the private sector that put this together for this maiden edition. Like they say, to whom so much is given, so much is expected. The reward for hard work is more hard work. I promise on behalf of the people and government of Ogun State that we will continue to do our best, continue to ensure that we will attract more and more investors in, because as we do that, in line with our vision, which is to provide a focused and qualitative governance while creating an enabling environment for public-private sector partnership, because we believe that is very fundamental to the economic growth of Ogun State. And with economic growth comes individual prosperity. I promise to ensure that we continue to see economic growth and consequently individual prosperity. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.